Welcome back again. I will start with this side view because we have completed the front view and top view. Now I will discuss about this side view. So side view will be plotted here as well as here. Okay, so this will be in first angle method. Here left hand side view will be visible. Okay, in that part left hand side will be visible. So to draw this side view we just have to follow the projections. Okay, so projections in order to draw the projections, what we have to do, we have to create a line at this midpoint or origin we can say, and that line should be having distance कितना ले सकते हो आप, you can take the distance of 100. Okay, but that should be at angle of 45 degree. So tab 45. Okay, and shift tab, see it is now 45 in a positive direction, negative direction में 45 चाहिए. So what you can do, press tab button, you will come here minus 45, then again shift tab. See, now your 45-degree angle will be created. Okay, I'm not using command line now, I'm just using the interface where we can put the dimensions, so both ways you can work. Okay, so this is the line. I will press enter, but this is like a continuous line. Continuous lines are only for objects, so I will delete this line. I will have the projection line. Okay, in the projection line I will start from this line command, and on the intersection I will make the angle minus 45 degree. Okay, minus 45 degree, then again shift tab press करोगे, so just press tab minus 40. Okay, minus 45, then shift tab. Okay, you will get the distance up to here. Okay, then press enter. So what I have to do, I have to just draw this projection. How many projections will be there? Only corners. Count the corner. One corner is there, two corners are there, so only two corners are required, so two corner projection can be done. After that, the circle, edges of the circle, and then midpoint, oh sorry, the center line. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is center line. 5 type of projections are required. So for the center line I will complete the center line first. So with the center line I will extend this center line up to, okay, up to this cross section or intersection, and from there I will start the line command, and from this intersection I will go upside direction and I will complete this here. So what I done, I just projected the center line up to this 45-degree line, and from there, from the cross section only, see, you can see this cross section. Okay, cross section के आगे वाला ट्रिम कर सकते हो for your just means clarity. You only cross section तक ही हमें जाना है, cross section के आगे नहीं जाना. So now corners can be projected using the blue projection lines. So line command start करो. After that you just get to this intersection. From that you go to ortho mode is on. You just go to intersection. Now intersection is not means it is not catched here. So what we can do, snap also again. We select the apparent intersection. Okay, just do that. See, in here it should be snapping here, or what can do, we can just project here. Just a minute, I will make sure that only one line is sufficient. Okay, so it is catching the nearest point. Nearest point is perpendicular point. So from here you can come, so you can go in the upward direction and you just terminate it. Again, line command from this corner, go to this. Okay, just click here, just click here and press enter. Again, we have to draw these circles, outer lines, so you just get this cross section from here. You can go here, press enter. Again, line command, okay, this cross section here, and you just catch any near point. Okay, so is it correct? You have to check it. No, it is not correct. This line is wrong. It should be a horizontal line. Enter. Now we have created these projections. What is the next thing? We have to project all these front view corners. Okay, what type of corners will be there? First, this is one, this is horizontal line. In this one corner is there. In this horizontal line there is one corner. Here one corner is there. Here one corner is there. So only 4 lines are required. Again, line command, go to this corner, just press here and just press enter. Again, line command, okay, snap this end point, and from this here and line command again from this corner to, again I will try this line node here, from this node you go here. Again, line command from this node to here. Okay, all are the accurately plotted. Okay, I mean everything is catching its proper corners. You have to zoom it and check it if it is something wrong or not. Okay, so ये check करना जरूरी है. Now this part is ready, means this mesh is ready, and you have to imagine the left hand side view. Left hand side will be from this side, the curvature sides, right? So here one horizontal notch will be visible. Okay, so line command start karna, but before that you have to select the layer, that is zero layer, that is main layer, the object layer. Okay, now what? Line command. Okay, so here this corner यहाँ से start होता है and यहाँ पे end होता है, and here goes here and goes here. Okay, this is whole shape. एक rectangle दिखेगा side से, and that rectangle will be having this notch visible. So this notch will be like here. Okay. So line command again from this cross section to this cross section and press enter. Okay, now this is completed. Now circles. These circles are also invisible circles, or we can say hidden circles. Not only that, but this notch will be visible. No, not visible from the left side, but hidden line should be there. So hidden line layer have to draw, right? Hidden line, and hidden line layer will be starting, because this notch will be there, but it is not visible. But because of that, we have to draw the hidden line. Okay, so enter. Okay, that is done with the hidden line, but the circles, where are the circles? Here on the upper notch there are circles, in the lower notch also there are circles. Here is one circle, here is one circle, so 2 circles, 2 hidden lines. Same hidden line continues up to here, press enter. Again, line command, start here and end here. Again, line command, start here and end here. Line command, start at this cross section and add this cross section. Okay, enter. So this is whole projection of the front view, side view, top view, everything is there. We can annotate it, right? Okay, you should annotate it like what is this? This is the front view. This is the side view. Which type of side view is this? Left hand side view. And this is top view, just mentioned here, top view. Okay, Okay, so everything is mentioned. You just mention xy also. Here you can write x again. Here you can mention y. Okay. You can trim this part if you don't want to extend it like here. You just trim it. Okay, इसको trim कर दो. वर्टिकल x1 y1 लिख सकते हो. x1 and here y1 y1. ओके डन. x1 y1 xy हो गया. जो एक्सटेंडेड पार्ट है यदि आपको नहीं चाहिए तो यू कैन ट्रिम इट बट इन ऑर्डर टू ट्रिम इट you have to have this crossing lines. I have drawn this crossing line first and I will use the trim command then. First trim this, then trim this. If I trim this, whole part will be trimmed off. So that's why I have to draw one crossing line here somewhere else. Okay. After that, trim it off, then trim it off. Press escape. You can move this here to here. Okay. So in order to move, you can turn off this ortho and you just have this x1 here. Okay. Now we don't need ortho means mode. Ortho mode या ortho option बंद कर दो. Okay, front view, type top view, side view, everything is shown. x1 y1 xy, everything is shown. Dimension, required dimensions are given. One more dimension will be needed here from this point to this point, that is 30 unit. Okay, so you can use snap option. You can turn it on to have proper snaps at the corner points, intersecting point, midpoint. Okay, end points, ये सब है. डायमेंशन देते वक्त ये काम में आएगा. और क्या चाहिए इसमें? हाइट इसका कुछ पता होना चाहिए. ओके, हाइट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, ये हाइट यहाँ पे हम मेंशन करें. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज नाउ रेडी. सो दिस इज योर मेन डायग्राम where we can have all the visuals, that is front view, top view, side view. Now this is first angle method. We have to draw the first angle method symbol here.